Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to log out from your Trust Wallet. Let's begin. So first things first, make sure that you're successfully logged in and your Trust Wallet app is up. Okay? So let's begin. Um, Before we also, log out from Trust Wallet, guys, make sure that you have your secret recovery phrase in handy because you're going to be needing that just to, back up just in case that you need to log back into your Trust Wallet. So I guess I'm going to just quickly show you how to get your secret recovery phrase. You go to settings and then from there you hit on wallet and then I'm going to choose main wallet. Sorry. So when you do that, there's like this part right here wherein it shows secret phrase. So say for example in this one, you're able to give your passcode already, and then you would be able to go to the next pages where you can get your secret recovery phrase. Once you have that, you go back, and the easiest way for you to log out is actually just swipe. All right. So when you swipe that, then hit on delete. It will give you this message just to make sure, confirming if you're going to delete your wallet. So are you sure you would like to delete this wallet? Make sure you have a backup of your wallet. Okay, just delete. Once you're there, you need to actually, you know, there. It would actually, for example, if you're able to successfully log out and if you already have your wallet, so say for instance, you need to go log back into your wallet where you just log out. You put your secret phrase right here. And once that's done, you hit on continue and you will be able to retrieve your wallet back. So that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you like it, please do hit that thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.